So if you're having challenges with your Google AdSense address verification, this video is for you. Now, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience with verifying my Google AdSense, doing my Google AdSense address verification without the PIN. Yes, it's a common challenge that most people face, especially if you're from this part of the world where the postal services is not 100%. Receiving mails are kind of difficult, or they're not on time. They usually take a whole lot of time before they get to you. So once your YouTube account gets monetized and you hit a $20 threshold, Google AdSense would request for an identity verification and also an address verification. Now, this address verification is what's involved is that Google is going to send a physical 6-digit unique PIN to your address, the address you filled in while you were opening your Google AdSense account. Now they're going to send that PIN to your address and you're going to impute that PIN where they've requested for it. Now, if you're not able to do this verification within 4 months or so, your ads will stop running on your account, meaning that your account will no longer be monetized until you do this verification. Okay, so mine got bad because I did not see the mail on time and my account got demonetized, and I was running helter-skelter looking for a way to go around this thing. But then somehow along the line I requested, of course Google will ask you to request for the PIN, input your address and everything, and you're going to request. Now each request you make is going to be valid for 3 weeks. Now if the PIN is not sent to you, if it's not delivered to you within 3 weeks, you can now request a second time. Now you should be able to request for this for 3 times before you can use this process. So this video is solely for people who never got to receive this PIN and they are looking for a way to get their addresses verified. You understand? Although funny enough, just right when I have found a way around this or another way to get this sorted out, guess what? The mail guy just came to my house and delivered it. And guess what? Look, it's 1, 2, and 3. So these are like the 3 times that I requested. It's actually the same PIN that's contained in the 3 of them, but then I requested 3 times and I got three letters. But I mean, it never came on time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass this, or how to go around this, or get your Google AdSense address verification done without the PIN. And like I said before, do not forget that you need to have requested for like 3 times before you can use this process to get your address verified. So I would urge you to like this video, share this video, drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And as well, you may need to save this video for future purposes, for future references. You can never tell when you might need this information again. All right, let's get right into it. Yeah, so once you log into your Google AdSense, this is what you're going to see. Now for me, that my ads have been withdrawn. You can see you no longer showing ads. You are no longer showing ads because the address verification process wasn't completed. Verify your address to start showing ads again. You understand? So first thing you're going to do is you click on this hamburger icon on the top left corner right there. Go to accounts, click on accounts, account information. Now you copy your publisher ID. This is your publisher ID right here. Just copy it and keep it. Now you go to click on the same hamburger icon on the top left corner and click on payments. Now click on verification check. Allow that to load for a while. Okay, so once you get here, you're going to see that identity verification has been completed. Address verification needs attention. Now enter the PIN we mailed to your payment address. You see where they made a provision where you can impute the 6 digits PIN that they'll mail to your address. But then this is for people who haven't gotten this PIN, right? So you're supposed to just input that PIN here and submit, and you're good to go. Now if you look below here, I don't want to go up that much so my address doesn't get revealed, since I'm posting this to the general public. Okay, so you see 28th April, that was the last time I requested, and they sent out the PIN to me. So it's over 3 weeks already. And now, and that was like the third time I requested that this PIN should be sent to me. So with that being done, I'm just going to show you guys how to get this thing sorted out. Okay, so what you're going to do is, you see right here where you are no longer showing ads because address verification process wasn't completed. Now you're going to click on learn more. Click on learn more, allow that to load. Now you have address PIN verification, address verification PIN overview, blah blah blah. You just scroll all the way down. Okay, when you scroll all the way down, now you're going to get to this place, have problem with your PIN troubleshooter. Click on PIN troubleshooter, just right here. Once you click that, Adsense PIN troubleshooter, the page opens. Now they said confirm your email. Now you're going to confirm is blah 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 email, the email address you used for Adsense. You're going to say yes. Okay, then continue. The next step is PIN arrival check. Now on that PIN arrival check, have you received your physical PIN mailer? Yes, I have received. The first option there is yes, I have received my PIN and would like to verify my payment address. The second option is no, I have not received my PIN. Now of course we're going for the second option. This is for people who haven't received their PIN and have applied, have requested for it up to 3 times. Okay, for the third time. Okay, so after that you click on continue. Then you're going to see contact support team. Now click on contact form, and that's it. You're just going to input your name. You're going to input your name. Your email address is already there. Then you remember the publisher ID that I told you to copy that time. You're going to copy it and paste it. You're going to paste it here. Then submit an attachment. Now you're going to submit under this place. You're going to choose this choose files. You're going to choose the same verification detail that you use in verifying your identity, be it your national ID card, your international passport, or your driver's license. Once you select that, you choose the file and upload it. Then you go right here and click on submit. Now once you've done with this, your account, your Adsense account address verification will be verified. So once you follow through these few steps that I just mentioned, you'll be able to do your Google Adsense address verification without receiving the PIN. Don't forget that you need to have requested for this PIN 3 times and they didn't get to you before this will work. All right, now if you found this video helpful, kindly hit the like button, share this video, and of course let me your thoughts in the comment section. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. If you're new to this channel, this might be a good time to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever we post videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, I'll be seeing you guys some other time.